When your Google TV suddenly won't connect to Wi-Fi, streaming comes to a complete stop and apps refuse to load, even though your internet works fine everywhere else. It feels like something serious is wrong, but in most cases, it isn't. This issue is usually caused by a small setting or temporary glitch that's easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you simple, safe steps you can try at home to get your Google TV back online in minutes. Start with a proper restart, because this clears temporary network glitches and fixes the issue more often than you might expect. Go into your Google TV settings and restart the TV fully, not just stand by. While the TV is restarting, unplug the power cable from your Wi-Fi router or modem. Leave it unplugged for about 30 to 60 seconds so it can reset completely. Then plug it back in and wait until all the internet lights are stable. This step refreshes the connection between your TV and the network. Once the router is fully back online, try connecting your Google TV to Wi-Fi again. If it still doesn't connect, the next step is to forget the saved network and reconnect it from scratch. Open the network and internet settings. Select Wi-Fi. Choose the connected network and select Forget. After that, turn Wi-Fi off. Wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Now select the same network again and carefully re-enter the password. Make sure the spelling is correct and remember that Wi-Fi passwords are case sensitive. If the connection still fails, double check that you're selecting the correct Wi-Fi network, especially if there are multiple networks with similar names. Also, check the signal strength near the TV. A weak or unstable signal can prevent Google TV from connecting properly, even if the password is correct. So moving the router slightly closer or reducing interference can help. Next, check for a Google TV software update, because updates often fix Wi-Fi bugs and connection issues. Go to Settings, open System, select About, and choose System Update. Let the TV check for updates and install any that are available. Once the update finishes, restart the TV and try connecting to Wi-Fi again. This step ensures the TV is running the most stable software version. Now check the date and time settings, which many people overlook. Go to System Settings, open Date and Time, and make sure Automatic Date and Time is turned on. If the time or date is incorrect, Google TV may fail to authenticate the network connection, so this small setting can make a big difference. If the problem continues, take a quick look at your router settings. Some routers enable features like AP isolation, client isolation, or guest network mode by default. These options can block devices like Google TV from connecting properly. If any of these settings are turned on, disable them, restart the router, and try connecting the TV again. At this point, use a mobile hotspot as a simple test. Turn on the hotspot on your phone and try connecting your Google TV to it. If the TV connects to the hotspot, the issue is with your home Wi-Fi or router. If it doesn't connect to the hotspot either, the problem is likely related to the TV's software or hardware, not your network. As a final option, you can perform a factory reset, but only if nothing else has worked. This will erase all apps, accounts, and settings from your Google TV. Go to Settings, open System, select About, and choose Factory Reset. After the reset, set the TV up again and test the Wi-Fi connection from scratch. That's it. By now, your Google TV should be connected and working normally again. I hope these step-by-step fixes helped you get back online without the hassle. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy and useful tech fixes. And if one of these steps worked for you or you still have questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.